So how to effectively automate your customer onboarding for your SaaS platform. So that is the question that I'm setting out to answer with Keep'em.io. So in a nutshell, Keep'em is a video platform that turns your pre-recorded videos into interactive experiences by using AI-powered chat that is trained on your actual content. So with Keep'em, you upload a video, and AI automatically is trained on the content of your video, as well as any other knowledge base or FAQs or website help docs that you add. And your users can now watch the video and ask questions, getting instant AI-powered answers trained on your content. So you don't need to do anything, and it's also not generic AI answers. This is AI that is specifically trained on your content. So the problem that I wanted to solve was customer onboarding for my SaaS platform called CheckoutJoy. So CheckoutJoy is a checkout platform for creating custom checkouts or advanced checkout experiences for people selling online, for merchants selling digital products, online courses, things like that. You can connect your local payment processor to whatever platform you're using to sell your products and charge in local currency, local language, and local payment processes. So the issue that I was seeing is, although I have a YouTube channel with a lot of onboarding videos and I have documentation, it is the disconnect between having those videos hosted on our documentation pages or on YouTube and the user actually using the platform. So that disconnect obviously creates friction with the onboarding process, as the user is navigating your system and clicking and constantly have to navigate to YouTube or to your docs and try to follow a video without it being an integrated process. So that is what I set out to solve, as video is by far for me the most successful onboarding tool. If a user can follow a video and click where you click and you explain the whole process, that is by far the most effective way to get them onboarded. But I also needed to have a way for them to answer questions that they might have, or to connect to me or to my team so that someone can actually help them. Another part of the problem is with a complex onboarding process where the merchant has to complete a few steps. It helps to have targeted videos at the right point, at the right place, at the right time, so that the merchant doesn't have to go and search through a YouTube channel or wait for onboarding emails to land in the inbox with links to the correct videos. So now we have pinpointed specific videos at specific times. When the user lands at specific points in their onboarding journey, they will see a targeted video exactly to solve their issue. And what makes this incredible now is that every video that they see is accompanied by an AI chat trained on my content, trained on the transcript, and also with the option to chat to one of our team members that is online. So that is what I wanted to solve, and that led me to create Keep'em.io, the interactive video platform with AI trained on your content. So this is a product tour. I want to show you exactly what the system can do, from uploading the video to processing it to having the AI chat and interactive player. And also I want to show you how I use it with CheckoutJoy on my product for onboarding, and how I embed it in the dashboard so that users can start chatting with me and with AI throughout their onboarding journey. So this is the Keep'em dashboard. So you head over to Keep'em.io and you sign up for a 14-day free trial. You get access to the dashboard. Now, so it's organized into projects and events. You can think of projects as being different brands or different use cases. So events are the pre-recorded videos that you upload into the system. So once uploaded, we start the processing automatically. We transcribe the video, and from there we generate chapters and suggested questions that the user can ask AI while watching the video. This all happens automatically, so you basically just upload your video and wait a few minutes. So the transcript alone is enough to make this video useful. The AI knows exactly what you said in the video and can answer questions and point users to actual position in the video where the question is answered. But you can also make the AI smarter by adding additional information. So under knowledge, you can add FAQs, any documents you have. You can also just add links to your help docs, and we will crawl your entire help documentation, give AI the ability to answer questions using that information. So a user can ask something about your pricing, for instance, that isn't mentioned in your video, and the AI will be able to answer that video and point them to the link in your documentation where pricing is mentioned or discussed. So the settings include the scheduling options to set it to on demand or to have it scheduled at a specific date and time. There's also the chat settings where you can enable or disable the AI chat, and super important where you can set up the human escalations. So when a user shows intent to speak to a human, the messages or the chats can be relayed to a Slack channel, for instance, and they can have a real-time chat with an agent in Slack. I will show this in a demo shortly, but that's a pretty cool feature. And then lastly, the analytics, which will record real-time usage and views, and it's available. You can see the performance and as well as the questions that's being asked by the users in AI. So time to show it in action. This is what the viewer actually sees. This is the interactive video player. This is a standalone page that you can host, or this can be embedded into your platform in a modal pop-up or inline, however you want it. So this is the video. It's an onboarding video for Checkout Joy on how to connect high level to connect how to install the app onto the system. So let's have a look at. This is me showing a demo of me showing a demo. So out of the bat, we've generated a few easy questions that the user can start with. So let's have, where is the integration button? And there you see immediate answer with timestamps into the video, as well as links to the documentation that I added. And from here, I can also add, how do I install the app? Answers pretty quickly. To install the Checkout Joy app on high level, follow these steps, and there's step-by-step everything, as well as links to the documentation and the sources where you got the information from. So sometimes your viewers might want to talk to an actual human. It might be that AI isn't answering the questions. Maybe there's a gap in the knowledge base. So AI doesn't have all the answers, and the user want to escalate and chat to a human. So I want to show you how our escalation process works. We've hooked up the system with our Slack channel. It's currently integrated with Slack, and we've set up this event to forward any human escalation messages or chats to a Slack channel that we've configured. So our team is waiting for incoming messages in the escalation channel, and let's have a look. So I would go any intent talk to a human. So if you have any if the viewer shows any intent to talk to a human, the system picks it up, and there you can see someone from the team will be with you shortly. So that message is now routed to Slack. So I'm going to open up Slack here. This is the escalation channel, and this is the latest message that we've just sent. The Jolly Koala is the user, basically a test user. And how it works now is if I reply to this thread, a thread in Slack will now, all messages will be routed to this chat, and this user is now connected to my team member in Slack, and they can have a chat and resolve their issues. So, hi there. So I'm responding, and there you see this in the chat. It has the agent name, and I am now in a live chat chatting with the team in Slack. Do you classify as human? Let's go back to Slack. There you go, there's the message. Negative. I am a meat popsicle. All right. There is the response. So now the viewer is chatting directly with one of my team members. They can ask any questions that they want, and once resolved, let's resolve this chat. Thank you, all I needed to know. All right, my team member sees they're happy. They can end the session, which means that the chat will now return to the user to the AI chat, and they can continue with their questions there. The conversation has been closed. If you have questions, you can start a new chat. Am I talking to AI now? Yes, you are talking to an AI. All right, so that is the end-to-end human escalation. So this is still the AI chat. If you want to talk to a human, you get routed to our Slack channel. Our team will respond. So we've integrated the system with Slack at the moment. Obviously, there's a long list of messaging platforms that we're going to integrate. So the last part I want to show you is how we use it to embed this into our Checkout Joy dashboard so that onboarding users, when they log in, they get the right video served at the right time in place. So let's have a look at that. So I've got my dashboard open here. This is the Checkout Joy dashboard. So this is what one of our Checkout Joy merchants see when they log into their platform. So I want to show you, I'm going to refresh the page. So when they land on the dashboard, you see they get their stats, and here you get the Keep'em interactive video experience of player inside the dash. And this works exactly the same as the full page player that I just shown you. You have your questions. Gets answered in place. The only difference here is this is right in our Checkout Joy dashboard, so the user doesn't have to go to an external page. We don't have to email them with a link to some video on YouTube or in our help docs. This is right in the dashboard. And what we're going to use this for, what we're using this for, is to pinpoint exact user videos at the right place at the right time. So when they visit the page for a first time, the system picks up that a certain video has to play. They get a pop-up, they get the chat. They can obviously, if they don't want it, they can just dismiss it and it won't show again. But this will allow them to see the correct video with AI chat, with human escalation right in the dashboard. So I want to talk to a human again. Chat to human. And same principle, if I open up my Slack, this is now, there we go, escalation, the escalation channel from Molly at checkoutjoy.com. This is what I'm logged into my Checkout Joy dashboard, the user. I'm 2 seconds into the video. I want to chat to a human. So let's respond to this thread. All right. Hi there, how can I help? And if I go back to my dashboard, I am now on a live chat with one of my support agents, me, and thanks. What a cool idea. Going back to Slack, there we go. So awesome, I hope you enjoyed this video and this demo. If you have any questions, please reach out, hello@keepem.io, or you can comment on this video below and let me know what you think. All right, thank you.